Arctic Circle Air Services Incorporated will soon start providing passenger services within the CNMI, with the launch of regular flights between Saipan and Rota. The Saipan Tribune reports that Arctic Circle Air, originally set up as a cargo airline, is planning to offer thrice-a-day, 6 times-a-week flights between the two islands that are expected to commence as early as Monday. It will use the company's lone 9-seater Britten-Norman BN-2T twin-turbine aircraft. The announcement of Saipan Rota flights comes after Korean investor Hee Cho became Arctic Circle Air's majority stockholder. Cho is the president of GMSH LLC, which owns Rota Resort and Country Club and several other properties in Guam. Cho noted that Arctic Circle Air's ticket price per passenger only costs $179, making it a low-cost passenger airline in contrast to other carriers that offer today's fare rate of $219 per person. Mark Rabago, PNC News, Saipan.